See, I told you he's not afraid of them.
Get a picture of him climbing.
Get the one. He goes, oh, come with me. He pulls up right here.
Never been this close to these dogs. You had bees flying around.
You should have seen him flying
before.
before.
A little wooden ramp where they can just go right up.
I know, they got to figure it out.
A little board or something.
Al's fucking with him.
Let's see if we can get him something.
I got one in my hair. Well, I'm trying to get out of the sun a little. Maybe over here. Is this on?
Yeah, it's not going to hurt you.
Did you get pictures of it, Dave? Dave, you didn't get enough pictures. Let me have your camera and you take this.
You find this stick or something.
Walk right up.
She was this in here like 10 years before that one. There's a girl and the other little girl.
Here, you take this. It's on. And you just push this picture?
You push the thing and hold it, and then it'll take the picture.
Oh, it's a clear one now.
Here's Al capturing a swarm.
David, I got one. Come here. Look at it right on your camera.
Look
at it.
Up that high.
Oh my God, it's coming. They're coming. I'm going to drop your camera.
Don't drop my camera, please.
Look at him, dude. Fucking crazy. I'm just surprised I'm this close to freaking honeybees. And
They're all stuck underneath that ledge.
Wait, how do I get out? Maybe I want to get close with that.
You got a better ramp.
Go ahead, Al. Put another piece in for the camera.
Hmm?
Put a little more piece in for the camera.
What?
Here, get it real close to there.
Oh, yeah. What's going on?
It's just... No, just look at it. It's recording.
What do you want me to do?
Put it right near the box.
It's recorded.
Yeah, now bring it back a little.
Yeah, their tongues up.
Yeah, see them with their butts up. Oh, I got something going on me. Thank you. Oh, it's on his... Ow! Stop it! Don't fuck with me! Before I beat your ass. I'll throw you right into that wall.
You thought you got bit, huh?
Yeah! Like getting freaking back swap you.
Yeah.
Oh, no, we're getting some faster movement.
Now, once they go in there, do they stay in there?
Well, not all the time, but most of the time. Sound like this to you on the roof on top of them? See?
Wonder if we could get them all, like, swarming.
Actually,
I wonder why they don't just fly in
is
there.
there a little... No, they don't do that. I know, you would think that... Who's got a little car... Is there a little cardboard or anything?
I got the back of my checkbook.
Oh, let's see.
Hold on.
Got newspaper.
Is that too thin? Oh, gosh. Al is looking to get his ass stung. Holy crap!
Al was looking to get this thing going.
Get the party moving.
Look at that.
Let's get this show off the road.
You taking
There's a
these
lot of
bees
bees
up to your
there.
house, Al?
Yeah, not right. I'll leave it here tonight.
There's a lot of bees here.
There is. There
There's
is.
not even half of them are gone.
That's why I had to get rid of that small box.
You got a beekeeper in the neighborhood.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, I don't even know if they probably won't even fit in that box.
Yeah, no, they'll fit in there.
They're thick. It's like 2 inches thick.
At least an inch. All right, guys, come on.
They're falling.
Oh my god. Hold on, I'm trying to get them all over there. Going into the box. It's freaking crazy.
All right, we're gonna get going.
Sorry, Al.
No, that's all right.
Pull it out of the shed.
Let's look in the box.
We grabbed that first
Come
little
on.
one. Up a lot. Had some in there already?
Yeah, he scooped up a real lot. And oh shit.
I want them out of here.
If you kill any of them, will they retaliate?
They might.
Yeah, don't.
You smell a dead one
Oh,
and
get that
they'll
out of
attack you.
That was retarded.
Set off a different hormone.
Yeah.
Attack, fight hormone.
Testosterone.
Our bees are being killed.
Oh.
Our brothers are being hurt.
Me neither, dude. Like I say, you pull right up the hair, it's bullshit.
Oh, there's one up my sleeve.
Now this is where I go
Our
backwards.
fellow bees are being attacked.
Oh, there's one all the way
Fuck
up
you, man.
No way.
There's one on his back.
Who is this man with this cardboard?
Make sure the video doesn't go over 10 minutes because I can't upload videos longer than 10 minutes to YouTube.
Okay, this one's 5:47 so far.
Why don't you stop and make another video?
Alright, here, you turn it off.
Yeah, put
I'm
that-
allergic to bees. I shouldn't even be here.
I know, you should go inside, you dumbass.